Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Hey, what's up chat? Good morning, good evening. How are you doing today? How do you feel? How do you feel today guys? Hey, keep in mind, we got CPI. We got CPI coming out. What's up guys? Good morning, good evening, great to see you. CPI comes out in couple of minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Right, so let's just go ahead and share the presentation in all the trading groups. Let's go ahead and do it guys, as quickly as possible. We are live. As quickly as possible. You want to share the presentation in pretty much everywhere. Yeah, let's go. Let's see if we can trade CPI. Let's see if we can trade CPI. What is it today? Isn't? It's actually not for the US dollar, it's for the Canadian. Not Canadian, the Australian. Australian dollars. I messed it up guys. We don't have CPI today. Obviously we don't have CPI today. Let me change the settings here. Yeah, we don't have CPI today guys. It's not for the US dollar. No. I've been wrong about it, yeah. There's no CPI today. Alright. So let's just look into the markets. We have the 4-hour representation. We have the 4-hour representation of the trend. Let me share with you a trending line that's very important here that should not be underestimated. It's this one. It has been respected basically throughout February. Yep. It has been respected throughout February. And you should not underestimate the strength behind it. In terms of the support trending line, looking at the whole picture here, we should be delivering on that. So we're playing this triangle here. A breakout could actually lead us into an all-time high situation for the upside. And I don't think I am too courageous or... Yeah, I don't think I am overestimating that. A breakout for the upside could lead us into a very strong trend, taking momentum with it. Yeah, we have to deal with some other levels too. 25,000 is a big deal, guys. It remains a big deal. There is a 5-minute supply here around 870s, 880s. There you go. I used to have the US dollar showing up here, but for some reason I got the Australian dollar for some reason. Gotta fix that from the filters. Alright guys, so we have confirmed. I posted here on our Discord. Look at that. This one. We have passed 2 evaluations of 150,000 yesterday, and I've activated both. Lucid Flex 150,000. We passed them yesterday, and today I just went ahead and activated. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. And then another one passed. So basically we passed 3 yesterday totally. Plus 1 is just $170 away from the target. $170, right? Which will be traded today. We've activated a 3 we passed yesterday. With this one, it's going to be 4 if we make 170. And then we've got 2 more looking very good. One needs $300 and the other one needs $700, right? So 170, 300, and 700. And then we pass 3 more. That's the deal right now with Lucid. Lovely business, guys. Lovely business. 50% off for the first 2 purchases. Then 40% off if you still have out of that. You know, Lucid is running right now promotions in a vault. And you have different usages of your promotion, which at some point will reset. So first you have 50, then 40, then 30. Yeah, for Lucid. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. They're very, very appreciated accounts from my understanding. Oops. What's happening with my... Highly appreciated. Highly appreciated accounts, the Lucid Flex ones, because they don't have consistency and target on the funded stage. At the same time, we have day number 7 on an important account here for the YRM, guys. Day number 7, instant funded YRM. A very important account. We have 5,600 made, so we still need to do 2,400. This one is going to be day number 9. We have 3,500. We're going to continue with it. And then this one, we have 18,406, day number 4, with a huge day. So I'm going to trade the one that is looking quite comfortable for the payout. I'm going to get started with NMQ. We're going to get into the micros. And re-short this. Lucid Flex's, you know, pro accounts are interesting too, but it's totally different. You have consistency, you have target, it's different. Yeah, no monthly payments, no activation fee, so Lucid is top level. Testing a short here, guys. I'd like to see if we are having the ability to slide. I'd like to see if we have the ability to slide and accelerate here. It's not looking bad for a short. If this level holds, I have to get out. Otherwise, it's going to be a decent short. Breaking below the 50s is going to be quite juicy. Yes, that's right. For a pro version, the live situation is different. Come on, guys. We got a juicy target, 1,500. I'd love to take that. 1,600. That's perfect for the consistency. We can't make more than that. 8,000 is the total target. 20% consistency. Dump it here. Reject and dump it. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord, especially for those of you that are new. We're streaming daily from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Lovely, guys. We've been holding our short. There's no CPI today, buddy. It was a mistake. I overlooked something. We'll have the stop loss on break even. I'm not going to enjoy any reversal from here. 5 minute could actually get ugly. We have a 5-minute supply confirming its presence. 860s, 870s. Oh, that's looking good. Come on. That's looking pretty good. I'm gonna trail right above the current candlestick. I'm gonna trail. And we got the profit. 320 bucks, guys, secured. 320 bucks secured. Very good, I would say. Very good. Oh, this is the time it dropped. Thank you, Fred. Appreciate it. Oh, look at that, guys. We have been trailed out at 320, and that would have been a juicy 1,500 there. Oh my gosh. That would have been a juicy 1,500. Yeah, we have been trailed out at 320. The 5 minute has a bearish closing. Nah. Yeah. Interesting. Interesting pressure. 200 EMA with a purple line. 834. Interesting movement, guys. The next candlestick might still be green, which is why at the closing of this candlestick would not be a bad idea. Maybe it's not a bad idea to keep it on the long side. Let's see. I haven't bought anything yet. Watching it closely. Yeah, we got a green screen, yeah. Moaning. It has hit me out. Missed the buy entry. Same thing here. I would have expected a touch on the purple line, 200 EMA or even lower. 835, 830s, 820s, right? I was expecting basically after the 5-minute red candle we had, certainly based on the price action, you cannot expect the current green candle. Certainly, guys. Opening up my Quant Tower, we gotta get ready to trade the Lucid accounts. We got a ton of them funded. 3 fresh funded. And 3 are very close to transform them into funded. One needs 170, the other one needs about 300, and the last one needs around $700. So we're in a very good position. We're going to have more than 5 Lucid Flex funded accounts, and we're not going to trade all of them. But Trade C on Lucid, I've tested. I'm going to make a tutorial video for our community, and I'll post it on YouTube. I'm not yet decided on giving up for Quant Tower. Quant Tower has been going very well for me for the past 3 months. So we've been doing really well on Lucid and Quant Tower, which is why there has to be a reason that, you know, moving to Trade C. Not fully convinced at the moment to move trading on livestream for Trade C. But I'll do a tutorial video for you guys and I'll explain all the features and everything you need to know, for sure. But, you know, for the moment, myself, I don't see a reason for a Trade C. I got used to Quant Tower so well, and we made the conversion from Project X to Quant Tower really well. Right, so I'm trading even better than on Project X. Exactly. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna become popular at some point, Trade C. It's gonna become popular. But I don't think it's fully replacing Project X for the moment. We'll see the way the markets are moving around. I'll make a video and help people to navigate. Yes, I'll make a video quite soon and help people. We do copy trading on Quant Tower. Testing out a short here, guys. If this level holds, we could get something. Yeah. If this level holds, we got that rejection on the candlestick and now we might see momentum. So I got on the ship. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways. We're doing the giveaways on the live stream, $100,000. Yeah, no more Project X for sure. I'm moving a stop loss right there. So in this case scenario, guys, I would have the possibility as soon as we break this top to start DCing in the short, or I would have the possibility of exiting out of the short. You want to DCA in a short like this above the wicks if you believe the market will reverse from here. I'm not convinced about, so instead of DCAing, I'm putting a stop loss there. Especially for those of you that are wondering, where are my stop losses? Where do I pitch stop losses? When, why, and where most of the time you do not see a stop loss on my screen. It's because I'm watching the price action closely, and I make decisions based on the context that is dynamic, real time. So I'm making adjustment in my decisions real time, management real time. I'm not opening a trade with a fixed presentation of what am I supposed to do. Certainly not that. No. Look at that. That's a lovely rejection. So I'm DCing right now. What do I think about Trade Evade? Well, I saw them suffering and people complaining. I'm not using them at all because I'm not enjoying Trade Evade that much compared to the alternative. We're trading on YRM with volumetric trading, deep chart, web-based platform. I like the functionalities. It has the trade copier. It has, you know, clear drag and drop from the chart. We got a little bit lucky there, but I think we're going to get stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out there. Not an issue. Right, so the reason I use the stop loss in this situation and not DCing as soon as we break above is quite simple. The trust behind of a short is not as high, and the risk of continuation and explosion after you have supply level so well marked, right? Supply level here tremendously well marked. A breakout of the supply should not discover you in a short. You gotta get out of it. Yeah. So hopefully that helps guys to understand how dynamic I position myself towards the approaches I have. There's nothing fixed in my schedule of trading in terms of that's how many ticks for take profit, that's how many ticks for stop loss. That is a fixed model that I always apply. I don't think fixed models are efficient when you are dealing with a dynamic market, right? So the language of the market is delivered every second for a scalper. Every second matters. I think the approach should also be dynamic from the trader when dealing with a dynamic market. I think there is a tension between a fixed approach and a dynamic market, which is not favoring the fixed approach. Which platform on YRM are you using? I'm trading basically deep charts. Deep chart volumetrica is working perfectly, guys. YRM is running massive promotions right now. I'm trading the $150,000 accounts, which are just $450 with my code. So their promotion is $540 at 40%. I can give you 50% because I negotiated with them, and that's a $90 extra per account, making it $450. $6,000 drawdown. The industry standards targets for the instant fund that usually 6%. At YRM is a little bit less. 6% for the 150,000 is $9,000, but they allow it at $8,000. So you can request your payout after 8 trading days at $8,000 for the 150K. $3,000 is the payout, which I'm kind of hunting for this account. Not too convinced about the longs. You see the power of rejection we got here earlier is not very convincing, guys. Look at that. Should have shorted this wick. Should have shorted. So this green candle that we had right now, and we're still having for the next 20 seconds, I should have shorted this one. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We're having a great time here. Especially yesterday, we passed 3 Lucid Flex of 150,000. Today we can pass 3 more. We all know how valuable are the accounts without consistency and target. You guys have seen that we made $32,000 in a day on YRM. If that money would have been made on a Lucid funded stage, I would have nicely cashed it out. I would have worked to bring 4 more accounts in a good shape and then trying to do copy trading, right? And take 5 payouts at a time, right? Not trade that one with a lot of the money inside, stop trading it till I bring 4 more to a very, very good shape, and then 2 copy trading, right? So let's just talk about, so think about this management, guys. If you want to make the most money possible from a prop firm, yeah, I would have been set for 5 cycles on the Lucid. But the thing is, are you set for 5 cycles with a single account and then you're going to be moved to live, which might not be something you want because you're taking 5 payouts from a single account and you're moved to live. Your maximum potential is to multiply that 5 times. So I would rather bring 4 more accounts to a very similar situation, not trade the good one that we've got 30 grand inside, wait with it, and just do some trading for the inactivity rule. Bring 4 more and take 5 payouts each cycle 5 times. Because that's the deal, guys, here. You have to know how to take these payouts and use your bullets. You got to think about, if you have a very good account, which on Flex is possible because you can have a huge winner and that's going to give you a few cycles and you might be moved to live. You don't want to be moved to live, I guess, from taking payouts from a single account. You might want to be moved to live from taking payouts from the maximum possible accounts each cycle. So you're going to work towards positioning yourself to have that possibility of having 5 accounts like that. Ticktick Trader, no updates for the last 2 weeks. Like 3 weeks ago, I had an update from them telling me, it was early February, telling me that they're hoping to be ready by early March and they're working towards that. No other things have been mentioned. Opening a short here, guys. Oh my gosh, we're grabbing liquidity from higher levels. I'm out of it. Stop loss right above the wick. As soon as I got into the short, we exploded. I don't know if there is upside of getting paid a lot. I don't know. Compared to $80,000-$90,000 you can make on the simulation phase. You know, it's not that realistic. The live trading is different, guys. Think about, on the simulated phase, you can be moved to live after 15 grand, or you can be moved to live after $80,000. That's a big difference, guys. What makes this difference is the way you position yourself to be moved to live from 5 accounts that you traded and you made money, or to be moved to live from a single account that you've been milking and making money and taking payouts. Right? So I wouldn't waste the bullets of the sim environment with a single account. Numerous payouts. No, I wouldn't waste. I would try to earn the most possible. which is the way kind of I'd like to position myself right now with a Lucid Flex ones, right? I'm trying to bring as many flex as possible in the funded stage. Have some aggressive trades going with the funded ones. Try to have those days of 5,000, 10,000. Bring 5 accounts to 15 to 20 grand buffer inside, and then just do on 5 accounts the minimum $250 a day for 4-5 cycles. Copy trading $250 a day for 4 cycles. I'm taking, 13,500 4 or 5 times. That's like 45, 50 grand. That's different, guys. That's different. I just DC'd my short, and I'm moving my stop loss right above the current wick. I think that's a good invalidation point, right? So if this is about to be pulling the trigger, have to be out right there from the price action standpoint. What you have to know is the inefficiencies between your stop losses, between your targets. Inefficiencies. Like earlier, I had my stop loss at a different place and I've moved it to the current place because a reversal in this candlestick or in the next candlesticks of the current stop loss would have touched my higher stop loss, and that would have resulted in an additional loss for nonsense. And that's basically inefficiency in management. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We could get something juicy here. I need about 1,650 profit. I don't need more than 1,600. So we have a 1,855 if we touch that 68. Less 10 points needed, guys. 10 points needed down here. We have the flat opening on the hourly starting in 10 seconds. We could get that, or we could just wick into my stop loss. Let's find it out. Thank you so much for joining. 1 second. What about now? Bring it down, baby. Bring it down. Come on. I'm putting break even. I love it for the moment. I've sold partially. I'm fully out here. $705 secured for the moment. Celebration time, guys. Very important celebration time. Thank you so much. Bum, bum, bum. Hey. Oh, celebration time. What's happening with my camera again? We're disappearing. We're not supposed to disappear. Let me just get back normally. There you go. 705 secured. And let's take it step by step, guys. Lucid Flex. Yeah, this is a YRM account. 150,000 instant funded. Let's just get back to my stats here. It was day number 7, so we only need another day. And we have 6,363. The target is $8,000. Think about. I still need around 1,640. Yeah, I shouldn't make above 1,600. So that means I have to do around $40 extra today here. I'll try to do some more money here today. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We've been waiting for the right moments here. Do I believe in a bouncing here? There is a temporary support, but I'm afraid of the liquidity below. Right? I'm afraid about this candlesticks. The plan for today is to make big money. Testing a short here, guys. Little. We might be able to slide. I'm seeking some shorts. But I can quickly change my mind. Stop loss and break even. Very tight there. Probably too tight. Got back in a short here. Can we slide? Lovely, I'm out. We're still at 700. Wow. Looks like we haven't made much with that. We're trading Nasdaq. Micros. Come on, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Should have held that short a little more there. No idea why we didn't make more money with it. Pretty intense here. I don't believe the green candles at this point. Yeah, that's why I'm reshorting this. Look at that. Nasty move. Bring it down. Take profit here. Lovely. I'm out for the moment. 810. That's great. That's great. Like I told you guys, we need 1,540 tomorrow, and we're taking payout. $3,000 payout from this account. 1,540 bucks tomorrow from this one, and we're taking the payout. Not forcing it more today. Enough is enough there. We got in a short for my Lucid Flex on Quantara. We lost $170. It's an account that needs less than 400 bucks to be fully to be funded. Yeah, I got major slippage correct on the last trade. I was having like some nice P&L, and then the whole thing disappeared when I clicked the exit, guys. It was silly. This could be an interesting point of reshorting. Right. Come on, guys. Just a few more $100 are needed. 200 more. And we got another one funded. Come on, guys. I'm selling partially. Putting stop loss break even here. I'm out. We have 159.18 bucks fully confirmed, guys. Fully confirmed. Fully confirmed. And I'm running a short here as well on the bigger account. With 7 minis. Stop loss break even. Time to run the fireworks, guys. Ha 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 ha. We got one more funded. We got one more funded. Look at that. Boom. We got one more funded, guys. One more funded account there. Thank you so much. That's a big celebration. A huge relief. One more funded account. Yeah. 159.18. Lucid Flex 150,000. Prop firms are getting terrified. What happened here? Did we touch? We didn't touch the. We didn't touch the break even here. We got 7 minis. I like it, guys. We didn't touch the break even. Seven minis short. My take profit is going to be here. 2,900. I'd like to make on this account today around $10,000. That's what I'd like to achieve today here. Around 10,000. Our highest day is 32,000, so I have a lot of the space. Prop firms are getting terrified today as well. Oh my gosh, it's a good feeling. Continuing to the next one that I want to fund. We need 300 bucks on the next one. This is the one, guys. We have 158,700. So we need $301 here. And we're going to have another one funded. I'm trailing above the wick here. I'll take 500 bucks if I get it. You know, I've secured some extra profit. I'll take 500 bucks. There is a huge chance basically to touch my initial break even, so 500 bucks is not worth it to be, there you go, to be left out. 525 secured here. Not bad. Could have been a little bit better. Look at that, guys. This is the way we're looking at here on the 5-minute chart and representation. Nasty price action. Not easy to be trading this at all. Quite strong one-directional moves once the market gets triggered. The algos were delivering high efficiency today. It's not easy to trade this. You want to see the price action back to the weekly, daily, VWAP, 200 EMA. You gotta see this below 40s. You gotta see this below 40s. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord, be part of the community. It's for free. Helping each other is there, contributing to a positive outcome. And for sure, if you want to be part of giveaways, you got to be part of Discord too. Retesting a short here, and I'll do the same on Quant Tower. No, I'm not going to do it on Quant Tower, no. I'm just going to do a short here. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Take profit down here. Lovely. Stop loss right there. It was a good idea to follow through on Quant Tower. Didn't done it there at all. Now, it's just here. Come on, guys. My exit point is the flat opening of the green candle. So price action brought back to the algo levels 844.45. Come on, guys, do it. I'm out. 2,205. Very important, guys. 2,205. On the way to produce big money. On the way to produce big money. Time to run celebration. This is so valuable money, right? So valuable. I want to do about 10,000 or even more today, guys. We had no losses today. 0 losses today. Boom. So we didn't trade it here. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Thank you so much for joining, watching, and being part of it. Honestly, we have that conjunction between 820s and 840s, right? There's so many things happening. And questioning the capabilities behind the price action to be brought there before the market opens, or actually very close to that. Right, so the market opening could actually slide through these things, get you in the daily opening, bounce. It's going to be difficult, guys, the market opening. Yeah. Look at that. Testing out along here. I'll do the same thing on my... On my Quant Tower, I did the same thing on Quant Tower. There you go. Actually, you were looking at the Quant Tower screen. I did open the long here on YRM2. Might get a little bouncing right now till the market opens, and then we could actually revisit the daily VWAP. There you go, just a little more needed. Just a little more. We only need 300 bucks profit here. What a silly denial, guys. That was so close. Yes, you can do copy trading. So Volumetrica has... Deep Charts Volumetrica, the web-based platform, has copy trader integrated. On the top right side corner, you can do copy trading. You can have maximum 3 funded, unlimited evaluations. Lucid, you can have maximum 5 funded, unlimited evaluations. Like I said, my plan is to have ready as many funded accounts as possible and bring them, especially the ones that are fresh, bring them to a good level before starting to take payouts, right? So risk some more. Bring them minimum 10-15 grand in profit before I start taking payouts, once I'll have 4 or 5 accounts sitting at that level. DCing here a little bit. We might not hold. And I'll nicely walk out of it. If we refuse holding the line, I'm just gonna walk away. That's an interesting price action. We're 5 points away from our entry. This is an interesting level. We just grabbed the wick. Could see a strong reaction here. I'm gonna open up a long on a funded account, guys. First trade on a funded account at this level here. First trade on a funded account. Yeah, good job, Big Bear Carlos. Good job out there. 840s have been touched. Let's see what we get out of it. If there is going to be any juicy bouncing from here. You know, I would be happy with 15 points. Somehow I have to manage this trade. Somehow. It's not hedging. We got two longs. Two long trades. It's not hedging. We've been DCing out here, but looks like we're missing the momentum, unfortunately. Still want to wait a little more. Still want to wait a little more. That 5-minute algo right before the opening could actually be interesting. Oh, good job, buddy. Good job with your Lucid evaluation. No, both are long, both. Not too happy about the reaction we had so far here. Not too happy about it. We might need to take another wick. But you see, you can't say that endlessly. That's a trap. If you say that endlessly, it's a trap. Look at the price action to the upside. You could have said that endlessly. It's not good. Yeah, we're actually touching here daily volume at average price. VWAP 830s, 833. The reaction has not been too convincing so far. Got it along here. Fresh long on a new funded account. Fresh long on a few funded account. I believe in this level we could actually get something out of it. Let's see. Maybe we need a 5-minute algo. Or maybe I'm wrong. We don't have a clear answer yet. Great to hear that, guys. So lovely when you have success. You can share that with our community so you can inspire people. 5-minute algo. About to be triggered. About to be triggered. And we might see something interesting. Yeah. Let's see. 1 second, look at that. Could get a push. Not much for the moment. Not much for the moment. Actually, we haven't got a push. You know, I'll put a stop loss right at the bottom of the wick here for this big trade. We have a lot of the money in the account. We had 8,700. I don't want to lose it all. This is a challenge account, this one. But it was so close, so close. For the... I've DC'd one more time for this. This is funded. You're watching right now. The 4 contracts is funded. Right? We have an initial rejection here after the algo started, but you see this trade. We're giving back profits of evaluation stage for this account. That's in a big loss. Come on, guys. This is all a level where we have a daily VWAP, weekly VWAP, 200 EMA. There's a lot of things happening here, and we have not been bouncing at all. It's just a slaughtering and bloodbath. Slow bleeding, right? Without any proper outcome. And that stop loss right there is a perfect thing to be hunted. It's a perfect thing to be hunted. Which is not a good thing for me. I'm telling you, I'm not feeling safe about it unless we do 10 points right now quickly and I can accept some partial losses here. I'm willing to accept some partial losses here. If we do 10 points above 36, 37, I'm willing to accept some partial losses if I get it. Because I don't want to walk into the opening with 10 minis. Oh my gosh, look at that. What a candle. Someone just, yeah. And they touch my stop loss with it. Gotta wait. Going to the funded ones that I have. And see how do I handle the procedure there. For how long are they willing to continue the bleeding? It's just insane what we got out there in the price action standpoint. Zero reaction. Look at that. It's the weekly VWAP we're touching right now. Weekly. $800 is there. $30 seconds and the market opens. Look at that, guys. Wow, what a price action. Zero bouncing. So you're just walking through all this. 200 EMA. Daily VWAP, weekly VWAP, dynamic swing and short. These things are most of the time, like 90% of the situations, especially if they're so close to each other, they give you a 10-15 points reaction. Market opens in a few minutes. Actually, a few seconds. There you go. Let's see what we get. There's a bit of a pump going on here. Not too convincing so far. You gotta take your time. Might be something juicy behind it. $800s needs to respect and hold. Yeah. Crazy, yeah. Look at that one, guys. We made a new low. Could be any reaction from here. I mean, that's kind of the things we were... We got back in a long here for the account we traded earlier on a bigger loss. Look at that one, guys. It's not looking bad, right? We lost 5,500 earlier on this one. And now it looks great. I'm putting the stop loss below. I'm out of this. Nah. Terrible price action. Nah, this is an evaluation. There you go. Falling off. Falling off the screen, guys. It's just... Look at that, guys. Smashing through everything. Zero reactions. Zero. Yeah. Watching this one closely, make sure to like the video, guys. You want to participate in the giveaway. We're going to start the giveaways quite soon, I think. Yeah. We got to look into a higher time frame here presentation. I want to show you something. Look at that. And keep in mind, guys, keep in mind something very important. The 1-year anniversary of live stream is going to be on 26th Thursday. We're going to share multiple giveaways. We're going to do some nice giveaways, in other words. We're going to do some nice giveaways. With that being said, 1-year anniversary massive giveaway show, spectacular, for 26th of February, Thursday. You certainly want to make sure to participate. Thank you guys so much. Incredible. Watching the weakness behind this whole thing, and it's incredible. You know, for those of you that have been playing with the shorts, it's a money-making machine, right? What happened today in the markets? It is a money-making machine. Down below 700s. Watch that price action, guys. It's just dirty. Dirty price action. Dirty price action. I don't know if we get any juice for the upside, but not promising at all. So we have 135 likes, 215 people watching. That's, you know, we're short by 80. Let's bring this one above 170 likes quickly. 170, otherwise we do not do the giveaways. You gotta like the video, guys, otherwise we're not gonna start it. 170 likes, quickly. That's a good reaction. Look at that. Finally, something comes through. 80 points, 90 points so far. 80, 90 points, look at that. Look at that, guys, insane. Oh my gosh. Look at that. 120 points. We moved in a matter of 2 minutes. Oh my gosh. $120 points. $15-minute wick. Yep. Oh my gosh, look at that one, guys. 130 points. Longs got destroyed. Now a bunch of people reshorting this movement got destroyed. Look at that, guys. We're back 840s. It's insane. It's insane. Oh my, that was just a fake liquidity grab here. And that was it. Oh my god. Questioning today's high, 900s. Look at that. It's ripping. Look at that. V-shaped recovery. An extreme V-shaped recovery. Look at the number of candlesticks we needed for the price action to be brought down. And how quickly we're back to the same spot. Total emotional damage. How are you supposed to trade this one, guys? How? No. Exactly. Flushed out in a heavy way. Very difficult to control that. Very difficult to control that, guys. This is just too heavy. Let's see what we can do. The YRM got stopped out. We hit a daily loss limit on YRM. We got stopped out. We hit a daily loss limit with that crash. We still have, on the YRM account, we still have $13,000 buffer. I guess 13 or something like that. Let me verify. But with that huge crash, we hit a daily loss limit. Yeah, 13 grand. That's still good money. Look at that crazy wild price action here, guys. You just can't stop saying that. I'm totally amazed. This is a new evaluation. Sure, guys, sure. Tons of accounts got blown. Look at that, guys. Testing a little short from here. And I'm gonna quickly get out. If I get the chance, but obviously this is... could take something out of the previous candlestick we had, right? So I'm not seeking to make any spectacular dump. I'm out. I think we made something. Re-adding to this here. We still need to do $1,000. It's very risky of shorting it. Very risky, but I got my timings of shorting. I'm out. Good job, Maddie. 3,630, we're up with this. As soon as if we break the high here, I'm shorting right now. Lovely short, right? And I'm out for the moment. We are 3,978. Still want to do about $400. This is a valuable resource. Or I might just accept that 4 grand here. I'm reshorting this. Out. 4,284. I think it's enough there. 4,284, guys. And I'm gonna trade this one. This is a funded account. It has 923. It's a funded account, this one. Testing some scalping. It's a fresh funded account. Testing some scalping. Might be too risky for the shorts here. This might just continue non-stop. Not an easy way of trying to making money. Yeah. But shorts is not an easy way. Well, you're not gonna see me FOMO. Next candle might be interesting. If this one rejects like this here, the next candle could actually be pretty good for me. This is already looking great, guys. Come on, bring it down. We have 4 minis short on a funded account. Bring it down. And I'll let you run. This candle needs to reject totally on that wick. We gotta reject here on the wick, guys. We can't continue. I'll take the loss if we continue, not an issue. But that's a perfect price action if we reject for a pretty strong continuation downwards. It would be a perfect price action for that. And to have it on a funded account would be interesting. I'm limited to 4 minis because of the scaling. But that's gonna be different as soon as we make some money. It's gonna quickly allow me to have 10 minis, even though I don't want to do 10 minis that quickly. That's a massive overexposure. You gotta keep things under control and avoid overexposure. Come on, guys. Lovely. Press the pedal right now. Press the pedal, guys. I'll have the stop loss and break even. I'll have the stop loss and break even. This is a juicy funded account. Oh my gosh, come on, guys. We got the break even there. Nah. Don't you dare. Press the pedal. Come on, guys. Press the pedal. Come on. 4 minutes short. Like and subscribe, guys. Not taking partial profits for the moment. Bring it down. This is not looking good for the bulls. I'm going to take a partial profit. A little higher if we reject here. I'm fully out. 2,000 profit there. 2,000 profit secured on a funded account. And we made earlier some good money on that evaluation too. About 4,000 bucks. So time to celebrate, guys. That was lovely. This 2,000 is important here, guys. Very important. And we're getting ready for the giveaways. Look at the prices we had there. Look at the pricing we have there. You guys remember how we had the price action dropping and the way it looked, but then compare it with the pump we're having it now. Look at that. And when we were scared about the way it has dropped, watch the way it looks with a pump coming through. It's just totally dirty. Dirty. Thank you, guys. Not an easy moment for sure for a lot of the traders out there. Imagine the amount of people reshorting this movement to the upside. I guess a ton of them. No more trading. Celebration time. Yes, 2,155 on the funded stage here. Lovely. Just to wrap up the things on a positive note. Yeah. We hit a daily loss limit. We still have 13 grand buffer. I'm out as well. Enough is enough. Enough is enough out here. So let's just get ready for the giveaways, guys. Let's get it ready. We need the wheel. We'll have 2 giveaways for today. We need the wheel, we need the ducks, and we need the formula. Make sure you complete the form. So let's just take it step by step. How do you participate? It's simple, not complicated, and it's also for free. Make sure to complete the form, participate the giveaway form. Then the next thing you want to do is to like the video. All these things are mandatory to be able to participate. Once you like the video, make sure to be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Trading, running education, and of course daily giveaways for free. And then you want to be part of the Discord community. Otherwise, again guys, you cannot claim and win. For sure. Docs do know if you're part of the giveaways with the Discord, and they're not gonna run hard. That's what I've been told by the ducks. So here we are. First giveaway will be 50k Lucid Flex. You guys like the 50k Lucid Flex for sure. For sure you guys like it. Thank you so much. We're gonna have tomorrow on the wheel, but you cannot guess tomorrow. And you know what it means. So I can understand their technicals. So let's raise the energy, guys. Let's bring some enthusiasm and think about what we're gonna do. Watch for the numbers. 000, 111, 777, 888, and a single number 5. You can start right now. Start right now. Best of luck, guys. 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. We've got 2 giveaways today. 000, 111, 777, 888, and a single number 5. Best of luck, guys. This is going to be a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. Thank you so much, guys, for joining on board. Thank you so much. We just had such a great time today. Excluding that pre-opening dump. That pre-opening dump was a little spicy for me. Did not expect it that deep. So I miscalculating the whole package of risks. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. It's over. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle and have tomorrow on board too. You know, if tomorrow hits, this account is going to be shared on tomorrow's scheduled top of it, right? On top of the tomorrow scheduled. Let's put it that way. That's actually the right thing. For tomorrow, we have another Lucid Flex. Keep in mind, 26th of February, Thursday, we have 1 year anniversary of live streaming. And we're going to do a bunch of giveaways. Tomorrow is not gonna hit. It was pretty close. But I'm looking at that green number 1, guys, and I am concerned that we're not gonna get to that blue number 1. It's gonna be here. Number 1 green, congratulations for the winners. We got you. We got you. Number 1. Bring them on. 28 winners. Look at that. Could have been more. Competing for 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. Shuffle to start right there. Ten seconds to go. Look at that. Couple of seconds to go, guys. There you go. Jay Banish number 1 winning the account, taking the spot. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Let me verify. If you completed the form, Banish, yes, you are fully confirmed. The $50,000 account Lucid Flex goes out to you in your huge pockets. Continuing. Wow, continuing. And we're going to have a different number set on the wheel. A different number set. A different, guys. We're going to have a different set. The next account will be 50,000 YRM for today, guys. 50,000 YRM. Wow, look at that drop we're having. 140 points down. Impressive. So, watch out for the ratios. Like the video for those of you that are fresh. We're going to have 5 zeros. 5 number 1. 777. 555. A single 8. A single 9. That's it, guys. You can start right now. You can start right now. You can start right now, guys. Come on. Do it. 5 zeros, 5 number 1. 777, 555, single 8, single 9. 50k YRM is what we're sharing. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Before keep it strong, guys. Keep it strong. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. It's over. Stop right there. We're going to shuffle. And we're going to have tomorrow on board as well. You know, the last time on Friday. Not yesterday, but on Friday. We've actually hit tomorrow for the YRM account. And that might be interesting, right? But it's not today, from what it looks like. I can tell you, it's not going to be number 1. I think the fight is going to be between that red number 8 and the yellow 0. I think that's where the fight starts, guys. Between the red number 8 and that yellow on the 0. Watch that. Pray to stop here on number 8. Or to speed up for the 0. Oh, there you go, fully confirmed with a number 8. Congratulations. That's an infinite luck for you guys. Congratulations for the winners. I think we're going to have more than 30, 40. Usually the number 7, number 8, these guys are zeros as well. Pretty popular, right? So let's find it out. 16. Oh my gosh. 16. We're set. Go. 30 seconds competition time. A little bit late. Yes, this is the last giveaway for today. We're continuing tomorrow and Thursday's 1-year anniversary. Make sure to be here because we're going to have a lot of giveaways this Thursday. Oh, Tony speeding up. TDL Futures. Tony, there you go. It's been a while, Tony. Look at that one, Tony. TDL Futures. Haha, 50k YRM goes out to you. Let's just confirm you did complete the form. TDL. TDL Futures is here. Great job, great job. It's been a while, but you made it. A clear proof of consistency, guys. You have to be consistent in the duck races. Gotta be consistent, otherwise it's not happening. Thank you so much, guys, for today. Have a lovely time, lovely moments out there. All the sales and promotions are shared under the sales and promotions channel for our Discord community. You can find out the weekly promos out there. I'm going to update it today. 50% off on Lucid for the 2 users, and then 40 and then 30. That's where we are, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Peace. Be careful.